everyone, my name is Charlie. I want to tell about my bedroom. There is a television on the table. There are 6 lamps over the wall. There are 3 bolsters on my bed. There is an air conditioner over the wall. There is a pen near the computer. There is a cupboard beside the bed. There are 3 blankets on my bed. There is a bookshelf next to the bed. There is a whiteboard under the table. There is a computer on the desk. Thank you for listening to my story, everyone.